Today it's time that we expose an indie brand. So today is the truth about CXC Beauty. I'm just kidding. Today is all about CXC Beauty, but we're only exposing all the amazing things that I just experienced myself in person when I went and visited the CXC Beauty store in Florida. So CXC Beauty has been selling their products online for quite some time now, but they actually just opened their own brick and mortar location in Florida. So I stopped by last Friday to break my no buy and get my first.
I do my best, okay?
And I did my first makeup haul of the year. Before I get into the products, I do want to say a few things about my experiences there. When I first walked into the building, it was so beautiful. There are these gorgeous white and gray marble floors. There's a beautiful display shelf on the left as soon as you walk in that has a ton of their lipsticks, their puffs, all their eyeshadow palettes, and more. To the right is a beautiful large shelf that has photos of the creator, Christian, as well as some other models and a ton of other products that you can purchase. And also one of the owners of CXC Beauty is a cosmetic chemist. So they actually create all of their products in-house at that location and do everything by hand. So I actually got to walk into the back and see all of the raw pigments and see all the eyeshadows being put together and more. And it was such an amazing experience from start to finish. I highly recommend you guys check them out in store if you are local, and of course online if not. Now let's see what I bought. Starting off with the Absolutely Essential eyeshadow palette. This has 21 beautiful shades. This is absolutely a perfect fall palette in my opinion. We have the Luminescence highlighter palette. This is stunning and I love the variety of shades. The Louder and Prouder eyeshadow palette. This has 18 beautiful rainbow shades. If you love colorful makeup, you're gonna love this. Also, stop peeping my messy vanity when I open up those palettes. I just got done doing a ton of videos. Thank you. We have the Signature Set and Refresh Champagne Infused Setting Spray. I absolutely love this spray. I used it a little bit ago. It smells amazing, it feels amazing, and I'm obsessed. And it being champagne infused makes me feel bougie. I picked up a single eyeshadow. This is in the shade Fairy Kiss. This is so stunning. I grabbed this beautiful blush. This is in the shade Juliet. I think this will look absolutely beautiful on me. I do love a little bit of blush here and there, and I think this could be a good color, especially if I get some sun this summer. And last but not least, I grabbed 4 CXC Beauty liquid lipsticks. Can we take a moment to talk about this packaging? Because a lot of indie brands don't do it right when it comes to packaging, but CXC Beauty definitely does. This is so sleek and stunning. This is giving me luxury without luxury price, and I'm about that life. This is everything. I have the shade Death Becomes Her. This is just a gray. Ghosted, which is a pure white. Secrets, which is a jet black. And Falling Deep, which is this beautiful burgundy red. Let me do a swatch on my hand so you can see. This is the applicator. We'll do a little swatchy swatch. Oh, you already know this is gonna be all over my lips ASAP. I grabbed a pink beauty sponge. I love a good pink moment. And last but not least, I grabbed 3 different sets of puffs. I have like a navy gray, a pure white, and a typical black puff. I definitely got a variety of products and I'm very happy with the selection. I got a little bit of everything. Definitely let me know what you like the most and what you'd like to see me try on camera for you. If you are familiar with CXC Beauty, I would love to know what your favorite go-to products are. If you've never heard of CXC Beauty, I think now, especially after watching this video, is your time to go splurge, treat yourself, and of course support an indie brand and pick up 1, 2, or all of their products. Overall, I'm a huge fan of CXC Beauty. I love their professionalism. I love the creativity. I love that they step outside of the box when it comes to their color stories and their palettes and just their liquid lipstick shades. Just everything is very colorful, very vibrant, and very fun. Side note, if you are shopping CXC Beauty both in person or online, you can use my affiliate code, which is Cody Jay, and that will save you 15% off of your purchases and of course put a small commission in my pocket. That is the truth about CXC Beauty. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to support indie brands as much as you possibly can. Thank you guys so much for watching today's Indie Brand Spotlight, and I'll see you in the next video.